Theory of knowledge is a course that we would have loved had it been offered to us as students. And the essential question there is, how do we know something? And students coming out of a rigorous curriculum of 12, 13 years of high school to walk into a class and be asked, okay, you have all this knowledge, but how do you know it's true? I think it begins a journey of incredible, you're drawn to it. It's a very provocative question, how do we know that? And the students discuss in the classroom, it's all discussion based. It's questions that I ask and then guide them into a discussion of it. It's interesting to note that I think I'm learning as much as they are on that. We discuss that we know things through language and logic and through perception and also through emotion. And then we look at the biases we have, the filters that we see the world through, the cultural things we carry with us that change our worldview, and we start questioning how we know things in history. What we know in history is different than what we know in science. How do we evaluate those knowledge areas? And at that time, the students really come forth, the mathematicians come forth in those discussions of math, and my students who are oriented towards science get to shine when we discuss science and how we know things. How the speed of light may be changing, perhaps not changing, but how we've measured it has changed. All kinds of wonderful discussions in that regard. So theory of knowledge, I think, is loved because it's honest. It's a journey of self. It's toward authenticism and truth, and it's just a remarkable place over 2 years.